Learn the procedure of flipping houses, step by step. So you want to learn the procedure of flipping houses in Canada and make instant profits. Flipping houses in Canada is very lucrative business as well as investments. Just like any other business, you must go and learn from flippingforprofit.ca. You are also required to be a member of Professional Real Estate Investors Group Canada in order to enhance your learning and get the chance to meet professional real estate investors. Learn the procedure of flipping houses in Canada program, step-by-step explanation. 1. Get the training needed. For real estate investment, you would need to make a significantly large investment. Every business has its own secrets, strategies and tactics. Learn the ropes from fellow Canadian real estate investment experts. 2. Attend eyewitness boots on the ground live field training. Do not believe those slick snake oil salesmen who want you to buy $50,000 seminar and having nothing to show you in your backyard. Go and visually observe the real deals, also known as training or boots on the ground. 3. Take time to attend the Canadian Real Estate Investors Strategic Apprenticeship (CRISA). The apprenticeship is aimed towards giving you as many benefits as possible, how to do its strategies. Learning how to purchase real estate on big discounts and how to get Canadian real estate grants that are forgivable and can be very helpful. It is a specific kind of apprenticeship whose goal is to help people succeed. 4. The top 50 steps involved in due diligence. You would need to spare time to carry out an independent due diligence based on true facts rather than a belief. 5. Start getting Canadian real estate deals on a 40 to 85% concession. Multiple listing services MLS would never have such kinds of deals listed. Please do not attempt the robbery of a fellow Canadian homeowner who is suffering from cancer or take unfair advantage of their situations. 6. Assign the offer, that is quick flip. Please ensure that you have access to the assignment clause which would help you to assign the contract before closing. The most helpful aspect of this clause is that you would not be liable in case the deal gets compromised. 7. Close the deal with the joint venture partners. It would be fine to begin investing in Canadian real estate with introductory steps and getting joint venture partners to offer you money and experience. 8. Get the house renovation done with the required building permit. A lot of Canadian real estate investors do not get the building permit and insurance. Please confirm that you have all your contracts reviewed by your lawyer and there is sufficient time to complete everything. 9. Always stage the property. Would you ever consider going to your own wedding in jeans or top tank? The house must be well decorated to get the top price. What looks great to their naked eyes always bring top dollars. 10. In the end, flip the house to end buyer. Be familiar with all of the expenses and capital gains. Get the appropriate assistance from Canada Revenue Agency (CRA) and your accountant. Learn from Canadian real estate investment experts with a proven record.